In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to force quit applications that have become unresponsive. There's a few different ways to do this. We'll go ahead and open the Safari application and then look at 3 ways to force quit it. The first way is to navigate up to the Apple menu and select the Force Quit option. Here you will see a list of applications that are currently running. You can see the Finder, ScreenFlow, which is the application that is capturing the screen currently for my tutorial, as well as Safari. If Safari wasn't responding, you would see the text in red, and next to it it would say not responding. You could simply force quit it by clicking the Force Quit button while it's highlighted. Another way to force quit is to go down to the dock, to the current application that's running, and hold the Control and Option keys while clicking on it. You'll see Force Quit is available here. You would simply click on the Force Quit option in order to force quit the application. The last option is to simply press simultaneously the Command, Option, and Escape keys. This again brings up the Force Quit Applications dialog box. This is an easy way to quit an application if it has become unresponsive.